Jingle Bells black key version. Here's middle C. Here's 3 black keys. The melody hand, the right hand is here. The fingering doesn't matter. You can copy my fingering, doesn't matter. For the left hand, you can actually use this 2-note chord for the whole song. That's called a drone harmony, where it's the same chord for the whole entire tune. It doesn't totally fit, but it fits for starters. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Now, second performance, a little slower with the words, with slightly different chords. The 3 chords are and. So I don't know if you want to practice those chords, but it's those 2 notes, those 2 notes, those 2 notes, and those 2 notes. Jingle bells, here we go right now. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Put the pedal on there and then go like this.